Hey there, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So I accidentally recorded this video as a slow-mo. So the video quality is a little weird and off. So I speeded it up 10 times to make just some sense out of it. So please excuse me. I wanted this video to be like amazing and stunning because it's an amazing piece. I'm over pouring a 100 by 80 centimeter piece. I didn't like. I mean, it was cool, but I wanted to do something fresh and nice and more vibrant. So I'm using a very turquoise blue base coat and then very vibrant colors. My mix of for the base coat is a latex binder, house paint and water. And for my paints, I'm using Overtroll, acrylic paint and water. I am using a nice pearl white of Amsterdam. Then I'm using a magenta and mixed with some pigments of this little piggy. Then I'm using a Payne's gray and then a gold that, oh my god, that's like Liquitex paint, Lucas art, golden paint, like every gold I had, and some also this little piggy pigments in it. And here we have the dried result. It turned out really, really beautiful. The blue didn't dry too dark actually, and all the vibrant colors, the magenta, the gold, the metallics, the pinks gray, the pearl white, it's just a beautiful mix. You can add this piece to every wall in every house and it will just be an eye catcher. I love it. I really love it. Let me know what you think of it. Oh, and I gave it a nice glossy varnish. So the colors are having more depth and are more shining. So it was just the right choice.